Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices have shed around 10% since the start of the year, primarily due to the slower-than-expected post-pandemic recovery in China. Some upward pressure could emerge after the debt ceiling is raised. There is also conflicting messaging from OPEC+, as Saudi Arabia hints at a possible production cut to boost prices. Germany suffered its first recession since the start of the pandemic, extinguishing hopes that Europe's top economy could escape such a fate after the war in Ukraine sent energy prices soaring. As the world transitions to a more cashless society, MasterCard's value has continued to soar. The company in May 2023 had a market cap of over $360 billion, and its shares have seen a nearly 100% gain over the past 5 years.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Finland's industrial confidence at 0500 hours GMT. The Irish retail sales at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio will be released at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. The US consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.